On Tuesdays and on Fridays, I run a co-working session in my school community, and today I'm gonna play to you a recording where we spent with a few members some time together and we worked on creating a copy for social media content pieces through which we build a list, through which we attract people to comment under our Instagram, YouTube posts, and in any other places, right? We get them to comment that they're interested in getting on our waitlist for the membership community that we are opening. So I am providing you with an insight of how our co-working sessions look like and how we are working together on launching and opening our memberships. And if you are interested in becoming part of our co-working sessions, simply comment down below this video co-working session or DM me co-working session, and then I'm gonna get back to you with more info. Enjoy this session. There is these 8 content pieces to write, and we create those 8 to generate leads from social media and to get people on a wait list or to get them on an email list, right? So today we're gonna work on this first one right now. It's called the outcome. I'll click on it here. And in this post, we wanna share with people that we are opening the community and what are the results, outcomes, and desires they will be able to achieve as part of this community, right? So how this works is that there are 3 formats that I prefer that you repurpose this content through. First, we're gonna write this post, the email, right? And then we can also create a short story next time, or let's say a long forum YouTube video on this same script, on the same topic that we're gonna write out today, right? So this is the template through which I need you to write right now. And that's for the post, right? For any Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever post, right? We can then take this same thing that we wrote out, we copy it, and we put it down into here, and we can send it out to our existing email list if we already have some. If we don't have an email list yet, then we just ignore this, right? But the key is, what we want to achieve is that people read this on social media, and then there is a call to action, right? We get them to comment invite down below, so we send them more info about the community whenever we have some, right? So if they commented, then we'll be able to DM them with the link to the opt-in page that we created, right? Or we are creating. So if there's a template opt-in page, you all need to have this page, this kind of opt-in page. So we need to be able to send people to somewhere so they can give us their email to request more info about our community, right? If you don't have this page, you can still manually get an email from them. You're just gonna need to DM them differently and ask them for their email, right? We'll practice that next time. That's something that we need to write through right now, okay? So you're gonna need to insert here into the brackets your niche things. For example, I created something special that will allow you to achieve this outcome. I opened a private community, or I'm opening a private community forum, our private community, right? And then we'll work on applying this solution to achieve certain results, right? If you have been waiting for something like this and would like to join us in our community, comment invite and I'll send you more info, right? Anyways, you're gonna need to now take charge of this right now. And if anyone of you wants to share screen, or even Carol, if you already wrote that, we'll check, because I want to see how you would write through this. So you have this email now, and we're gonna double check it. So we can, more good news to share, right? Have you already shared more good news before with them, or what?
No, nothing. No. And I haven't emailed them at all yet.
Then you need to say, I've got some good news for you, right?
Okay.
I have some good news to share.
Yeah, just in our own words. Yeah.
Here you need to insert the subject outcome. Want to achieve the outcome. What's the outcome that they want to achieve?
I'm not sure how to say this yet, because for me, it's self-integrity, right? That they get confidence and clarity.
Right. So now you need to say, do you want to be more, do you want to, I don't know, master or whatever, your confidence or whatever the word is, right? And I don't know, increase is not correct, self-integrity, but you need to put that here. Right?
I know, that's what, okay, yeah. So I'll just put master confidence and accelerate results.
What kind of results, right?
Whatever matters in their life. Like my clients get results in less than 30 days when they're working with.
Then call it personal results or whatever kind of.
Okay.
I mean, you always try to be as much specific as you can, right?
Thank you. That's appreciated.
Yeah. So maybe that, okay, but you can improve this later. Okay, it's still
yes, I can.
It's still a little general, but sometimes general is also okay. So I've got some good news to share with you. I've created something special that will allow us to achieve a new level of self-integrity. You see, you could put this in the subject if you want, and make powerful life choices that prioritize health. So I'm happy with this sentence. Now, I want us to go to the point. I would swap these two paragraphs, okay? Because even in my new template, I actually kind of removed this imagine what your life. I would let us go faster to the point, right? Because they are like, okay, cool. They're like, okay, cool, but what are you trying to tell me now? And this is what, you know, I am opening a private community forum, like Facebook group, but on an app called School.
Yes.
But here that allows us to host, a very private, I don't know, community. Something like a very private community environment, right? Or whatever. Yeah, even if like my sentence, School is a platform that allows us to host a very private community environment. I mean, that's not totally perfect. You could make it better.
I will. I might use my friend ChatGPT, but
yeah, I mean, you can do that, but never just copy and paste, you know.
No, I don't do that.
Because I'll be honest, that's something that we need to avoid, because that guy gives you a very robotic framework, and I need you to rather learn how to speak out of yourself.
Absolutely.
And let's continue. We connect there. We will connect there. We connect there and work on applying accountability to achieve, you know, your personal again, right?
Okay, that's good.
If you've been waiting for something like this and would like to engage with us in our community, click here and I'll send you more info, right? Now, for you, right?
Yes.
If that's going to be sent out via Go High Level, right?
Yes.
There is a special thank you page link that you're going to need to give people. First of all, you need to have this opt-in page working. I am not sure, Carol, if I already tested this with you. So we're going to need to test this later, okay?
Yes, I think I've tested them with my team. But we'll test them, yes.
Regardless, we're going to test it. But for those people who click on your emails and they are already on your email list, we just send them to this thank you page. They don't need to re-opt in, okay?
That's where it is. Thank you. Now I know. Okay, clear.
It's here, but you need to link that into the bookmarks. This is an important link. You put it here. That's called a thank you page. To the thank you page, if someone's already on your email list, you can get them to click, and if they just land on this thank you page, it's gonna tag them waitlist automatically, because I built the automated system this way.
Yes. So now the person who's interested, when they say they're interested, I send them the opt-in one. I don't have her email, right?
Yes. Waitlist thank you page for those who are already on my email list. All right.
Okay.
That's this link you're gonna be including now. I'll copy it. You include this in your document under click here. All right.
Yeah.
And you can probably just merge the link into it. And later, when you're gonna be copy and pasting this into High Level, you're gonna see if it takes it over with you. Otherwise, you're gonna need to fix it there.
We will test everything. Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't remember yet if we copy from here, if it takes it. If that's not the case, then you need to then manually later. Okay, do it.
No problem. That's fine.
Your stuff is ready. Okay, you're gonna be able to send this out correctly whenever the time is right. Okay.
Yes.
I'll go to the other screens now, but the other thing I need you now to do is this page here.
Yes.
You need to save it as well in the bookmarks, because that's the link to which you're going to be sending anyone from YouTube and anyone from the DMs and so on. Interest list opt-in page, right? That's for anyone publicly. I already have in my school all of these lessons done there, what to say to people then, how to do it, right? I'll not go there right now, but I already recorded my course teaching all of this. Next time, I'll point you to those whenever is needed, right? So this is perfect. Let us, to be honest, I'll show you, I'll go to Marta now and Alexandra, but let us even kind of show you guys. You go to automation, you go here, because there you need to now write as well a thank you email. So this is this automation. It says that someone visits the interest thank you page, add them a tag, waitlist, that's perfect, and then send them this email, right? So it's your first name here, it's your email here. Now, that's not done yet, right? So, okay, you adjust the subject on your own right now.
Yes, I know where the triggers are, yep.
And then you have, hey, contact first name. You see, that's going to be the tag usually used from the high level. Even and how we got that one is from custom values, and you go under contact and you put first name. I mean, that's what I did. You see, that's how I brought that tag up, right?
Yep.
And it's already here. Meanwhile, I'm going to check Alexandra and Marta's work. For example, you adjust this email, please. Yes,
I will.
Just follow my template, all right?
Okay, yep.
Here, replace this with your community name, please.
Okay.
Hey everyone, I've created something super special that will help us achieve optimal health and wellness together. Perfect. Okay, make a break space. Okay, try to use one sentence breaks so it's easier to read. Imagine what your life could be like if you finally got over the confusion of what's right for your health and started feeling amazing every single day. That's good. I'm excited to announce that I opened a private community forum on an app called School. It's like a Facebook group, but way more private and focused. We'll connect there and work on applying the best health strategy to achieve incredible results. If you've been waiting for something like this and want to join our awesome community, click here. Okay, we need to replace this now. If this is for a post, so the call to action cannot be click here, okay?
Okay.
You're going to use this. Hold on, I'll just copy it all. But I don't know if you already have an email list or so. I'll paste it here because it's already all good. That one will have click here, okay?
Okay.
Click here and I'll send you more info. Here you need to say to them this as a call to action, right?
Okay.
Comment invite below and I will send you a private invitation or merge it with that, right? And I will send you more info. All right? So that's good now. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, that's good now. You can post this on Facebook or on LinkedIn or even on a YouTube as a community post. But I will teach you then there's going to be an email. But on this same topic, after we post it as a post first, we're going to also create a mini short story. We're going to learn next time how to do that, repurpose it as a short story with a shorter script. And you're going to all create a long forum YouTube video on that as well. Okay. For example, for a long forum YouTube video, you're going to just like copy all of this and put it here, right? And by the way, I'll bring in for you all a soft call to action, which I worked with Elvin before on. Soft call to action here. I'll just type it out for you actually. Get yourself on a wait list.
Now, how long should this waiting period be? What would be
this can even go forever. To be honest, we will just not call it waitlist anymore, but we'll call it interest list. Hey, request more info about our community, right?
Okay, but in the launching stage, I mean,
in the launching stage, it should go for like 1 to 3 weeks, depending on how long do you need to gather enough people, right? We have 8 templates here, right? I calculated this, right? These 8 these 8 steps is created. I'm following a certain structure. Outcome, solution, the problem, the community, whatever, benefits, last calls. Because then I have another 8 for after when we're going to be launching, right? Selling people in. I have 8 promotional ones in a different document for you. So my point, I didn't want to go there right now, but my point is this 8 is enough for 1 to 3 weeks, and each of them can be created like in a few formats. Like for now we are in the outcome, right? Long YouTube video, maybe a story, and you see an email. If you don't have an email list, then just social post. This will allow us in 3 weeks to gather enough interested people, all right? Hopefully. No, because I have another strategy, which is manually writing people down into the contacts list. That's why I suggest us to all use high level, because we can manually put more people in there as well, who we can manually ask, hey, would you want to know more about our stuff, right? And for example, I'm on your screen right now. I need you to study under the promotional plan here. 3 ways of building a waitlist. So I need you to understand how this works, right? Because here step 1 and 2 are manually building your waitlist, writing contacts down manually and talking to them. But then we are working on this right now, right? A content plan, right? So you can revisit those 2 lessons before already. It seems that you made them green already. Maybe you already watched this video.
I did.
So that's good effort. Okay, you need to study this stuff, so you know how all the pieces come together of how I build things. All right, so look, you are good now, right? You might not even need this here, okay?
Yeah, you can delete that. It's just the label for the Word document.
Yeah. I recently created something special that allow you to rediscover your joy after divorce, right? Are you guys focusing just on divorced people?
Divorced women, yes.
Okay, cool. Because otherwise you are too specific if that's not the case, all right? But if that's the case, then this is good. Imagine how your life will be when you come out on the other side of your... So what I suggested before, my template was faulty, all right? I would swap these 2 because I want to go faster to the point. Otherwise, you can lose the reader, right? I opened a private community forum, and it's just like a group on Facebook, but it's more private. Imagine how your life... we could even swap this one with down below further. Oops.
Yes. So that way the pieces match a little bit better.
Yeah, because that's how we learn copywriting. That's why we don't need ChatGPT, because we are better, right? Like we can just, you read, the next sentence needs to add on top of the previous one, right? That's the copywriting thing. In our community, we'll work together on applying the Rediscovering Joy course. I wouldn't talk about the course here yet. I would rather, my suggestion is this, okay? Just do this instead. Instead of course, say method, okay?
I would love that. Thank you.
Right. I mean, you can even, I don't know, whatever, but that's a post. Imagine how your life will be when you come out on the other side of your divorce with confidence and more self-loaded. So that's good. So I would just make a mini bridge transition between this, and this. I would say, so here. So if you've been waiting for something like this and would like, join us on this journey where we will be applying all of those things, but now it's too many words. I would maybe say that at the end, or even leave it like that. Comment invite below and I'll send you a private invitation, I don't know, to our community, right? Okay, it's almost good, okay? With Barb, you guys reread this and maybe make a few more changes if that's necessary, okay?
Okay, absolutely.
And then you take this after it's done, you copy it, and you just insert it here, all right? For an email.
Okay.
Because we want to have a different for an email because there is different call to action, okay?
Okay.
And we'll send this to those 30, 40, 50 people or whoever we choose as a tag, okay? Okay.
That's what we need to check, I guess, when we're doing this, is make sure we have the right click or the right call to action.
Correct. There are 2-3 different call to actions that we are using, right? But I'm going to be just teaching similar ones for all of the same types of, I mean, for example, for a post, for Instagram post is usually comment below, right? Comment. If in an email, it's better just click here because they don't need to reinsert or they don't need to comment. It's easier to just click, right? For, let's say, for a story, usually there are 2 options, which are also written here. You can give them to click the link to get directly to the request, the more info opt-in page, which is better because they get straight away to that page, or you get them reply invite here and there, and then you manually send them that page.
So where's the story done? Are you talking about like a Facebook story? Or?
Yeah, Instagram or a Facebook story, right?
Okay.
That's what this means, story. These are different formats. And then for a long YouTube video, the call to action is usually, hey, go to the description and find the link, click it, get yourself on a list, right? So that's why we need that opt-in page, right? And that opt-in page is in a Go High Level app because I already pre-created it.